To get Excel free on Mac, you can start by using the Microsoft Office Online version, which is a web-based version of the application. This version is free and can be accessed through the Microsoft website. First, go to the Microsoft website and sign in with your Microsoft account if you have one. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you can create one for free. Once you are signed in, click on the Office button and select Excel from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Excel Online web page where you can create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Another option to get Excel free on Mac is to use the trial version of Microsoft Office. This version is available for download from the Microsoft website and can be used for a limited time. To download the trial version, go to the Microsoft website and click on the Products tab. Select Microsoft Office from the list of products and click on the Try Now button. This will take you to a web page where you can download the trial version of Microsoft Office. Once the download is complete, you can install the software on your Mac and start using Excel. You can also use alternative spreadsheet software that is compatible with Excel files such as Google Sheets or LibreOffice. Google Sheets is a free online spreadsheet software that can be accessed through the Google Drive website. To use Google Sheets, go to the Google Drive website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the New button and select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Google Sheets webpage where you can create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. LibreOffice is a free and open-source office software that includes a spreadsheet program called Calc. To use LibreOffice, you can download and install it on your Mac from the LibreOffice website. Once installed, you can open LibreOffice and select the Calc program to start using it. Calc is compatible with Excel files and can be used to create and edit spreadsheets. In conclusion, there are several options to get Excel free on Mac, including using the Microsoft Office Online version, the trial version of Microsoft Office, or alternative spreadsheet software such as Google Sheets or LibreOffice.